Watch me make the pen float with my mind. As you can see, the pen is moving without me touching it. And there's nothing at the top. The materials needed for this is a pen, safety pin, a clear bottle, tape, and a thread. First, remove the ink chamber from the ballpoint pen from the plastic tube. Now, wrap the end of the invisible thread around the tape and tape it. Put the ink chamber back into the pen. The thread needs to be long enough to reach from your chest to your hand when holding the bottle outstretched in front of you, about an arm's length. Now, tie the other end of the piece of invisible thread to a safety pin. To do this trick, you need to connect the thread at the safety pin to the base of your shirt. Like this. Now, place the pen tip point down into the bottle. By moving the bottle closer and further away from yourself, the pen will move and levitate in and out of the bottle as if it were powered by your mind. This is because the tension caused by the string will make the pen rise. And when you move the bottle closer to you, there is no tension in the string, hence making the pen drop back down into the bottle. Good luck!